All right, what's up, Montgomery County? So I'm starving, it's lunchtime, and if you haven't learned already, I love hot, spicy things. Hence our last visit to Thai Orchard. But today we are going to do Indian food. And I came across this place about a year ago and was just completely blown away. So we're going to House of India today in Collegeville. Let's give them a shout, shall we?
This phone may be recorded for authenticity. Press 1 to place an order. Press 2 for all other information. House of India, how can I help you?
Hi, I would like to place an order for pickup.
What's your name?
My name is Chris.
And what would you like?
Can I have an order of the vegetable samosa?
Okay, what else?
Can I have an order of the shrimp curry?
Shrimp curry?
Yes, please.
Mild, medium, hot?
Hot.
Okay, what else?
And can I also have the Szechuan vegetable rice?
And you want that medium or hot?
Hot, please.
You like spicy food then?
I love spicy food.
What else you like?
That's gonna be it for today.
Okay. All right. So I got vegetable samosa, shrimp curry, hot, and the vegetable rice, fresh on hot. It's gonna take about 10-15 minutes.
I'm actually.
You know, we at the Providence.
Perfect. I appreciate it. And now, how when I get there, am I calling? Like, what's the process for payment and to?
You could come in and pay if you like.
Okay.
We are clean. We are sanitized. Everything is good here.
Awesome. I'll make sure to have my face mask, and I will be there in about 20 minutes.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
All right. So, time to go get some food. I'm starving. And yes, all of that was for me. So when I come back, I'll show you exactly how amazing this food looks. Unfortunately, I won't be able to, through the camera, convey exactly how much, how good it tastes, but promise me. I promise you, you'll love it. All right, let's go get some food.
Oh, here we go again, yeah. Oh, here we go again. Let's do it one more time, yeah. Oh, here we go again.
All right, so here we go. House of India in Collegeville. Run in, pick up my food, head home and enjoy this amazing stuff. Still grab my mask. All right, let's go do this COVID style pickup.
What I do, she wanna scramble eggs. 3 a.m. and the pot's still stirring. For all I know, she won't simmer till the morning. Going round and round till she gets her way.
I think I just hit whatever. Let's go do this. All right, so I'm back and I'm excited. I'm more so excited. Either way, I'm back and I'm excited. Got the food out the bag. And so what we have here, look at this, the samosas. Comes with white rice for the curry. Probably I'll just go right with this rice here. A little extra rice there. And then this is the vegetable Szechuan. So I'm gonna take the covers off and I will show you a little bit closer. Smells absolutely phenomenal. Shrimp. And yes, this is all for me. What you didn't see when I went to go get the food earlier, so everything, although I did go into the establishment, everyone safe distancing, the food was on the table, ready for me to grab. My card was given to the one owner there. She went over, rung it all up, sat my receipt down for me to sign, and then I went back to the car. So everything there is what you would expect for them, for the way you'd expect for it to be. They are taking your safety as well as theirs into consideration. So with that said, if you are looking for some phenomenal Indian food, something that has some flavor, some heat, some spice. They also have stuff that doesn't, Nicole does not like spicy food. They do have things on the menu that she really, really enjoys. But if you just want to be like me, and you want something to take it up a notch, this is your place. Give them a shout. You can find them on Instagram at House of India PA. I believe that's the case. I'll make sure it's plugged correctly. And you can also Google them. You can go right to their website, take a look at the phenomenal long list of food that they have. And again, be sure to support small local businesses. Now is the time. Go Mongo.